Learn vocabulary from story.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where learning English becomes fun and easy. In today's video, we have something special for you, a simple yet engaging English story that will not only help you improve your listening skills but also expand your vocabulary. This video is divided into two parts. First, you will listen to the full story without interruptions. This will help you practice your listening skills and get familiar with natural English. Second, we will go over the key vocabulary and phrases from the story. I will explain their meanings and show you how to use them in real-life situations. By the end of this video, you will not only enjoy a great story, but also learn new words and phrases that will make your English sound more natural and fluent. So, are you ready? Let's begin. Session 1. Story. The Lost Wallet, a short story with vocabulary learning. James was walking home from school one afternoon. The sun was shining, and a cool breeze made the walk pleasant. He had just finished his math class and was thinking about his homework. As he walked past a small park, he saw something lying on the ground. It was a black leather wallet. He picked it up and looked around, but there was no one nearby. James opened the wallet carefully. Inside, he found some cash, an ID card, and a few credit cards. The ID card had a picture of an old man named Mr. Robert Miller. James knew that losing a wallet could be very stressful. Mr. Miller must be worried, he thought. He decided to return the wallet. James looked at the address on the ID card. It was not too far from his house. He started walking quickly, hoping to find Mr. Miller soon. After 10 minutes, he reached a small white house with a brown door. He knocked, and an elderly man opened the door. "Hello, sir. Are you Mr. Miller?" James asked politely. Mr. Miller looked at James and nodded. "Yes, I am. How can I help you?" James smiled and held up the wallet. "I found this in the park. It has your ID card inside." Mr. Miller's eyes widened in surprise. He quickly took the wallet and checked inside. Then, he smiled warmly. "Oh, thank you so much. I thought I had lost it forever. I was very worried." James felt happy. He knew he had done the right thing. Mr. Miller took out a $10 bill and offered it to James. "Here, young man, this is for your kindness." James shook his head. "No, sir. I do not need a reward. I just wanted to return your wallet." Mr. Miller patted James on the shoulder. "You are a good boy. The world needs more honest people like you." James said goodbye and walked home with a big smile. He felt proud of himself. Sometimes, small acts of kindness can make a big difference. Session 2. Vocabulary and phrases. Okay. Now, let's move on to Session 2, where we will learn the vocabulary and phrases from the story you just heard. In this part, we will go over some important words and expressions, explain their meanings, and see how they are used in real-life situations. This will help you expand your vocabulary and make your English more natural. So, let's get started. New words and phrases from the story. 1. Breeze, a soft, gentle wind. Example, I love sitting by the beach and feeling the cool breeze. 2. Leather wallet, a small case made of leather for holding money and cards. Example, my father bought a new leather wallet last week. 3. ID card, a card with your photo and personal information. Example, you need to show your ID card to enter the building. 4. Worried, feeling nervous or anxious about something. Example, she was worried because her brother did not come home on time. 5. Elderly, a polite way to say old, used for people. Example: the elderly man needed help to cross the street. 6. Reward, a gift or money given for doing something good. Example: the police offered a reward for any information about the missing dog. 7. Honest, a person who tells the truth and does the right thing. Example: it is important to be honest with your friends and family. That was today's short story, The Lost Wallet. Did you enjoy it? We also learned some useful English words and phrases. Now, let us practice. Try to use some of these words in your own sentences. Share them in the comments below. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you do not miss our next English learning story. See you in the next video.
Thank you for watching. Remember to keep learning and practicing every day. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on more helpful videos that make learning English easier and more enjoyable every day. See you in the next lesson.